The Yankees and Indians lock up in a decisive Game 5 of the American League Division Series in Cleveland, and Didi Gregorius causes early trouble for Indians ace Corey Kluber.
Didi swings. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone. Didi homers into the right field seats. Yes, indeedy. And the Yankees take a 1-0 lead.
The man whose swing got the Yankees on the scoreboard back in the first.
Gregorius again! He got it for the second time!
He's done it again!
Didi 3, Indians 0.
CC Sabathia perfect his first 2 innings tonight. And a swing and a miss by Bruce.
CC deals bunted and popped up in the air, and it is caught by CC, who goes down to his knees to make the catch.
CC's never looked better. 1-1.
Urshela shortens up and punches an RBI single the other way.
CC Sabathia 4 straight hits, and here comes David Robertson.
Jammed him, bounced to shortstop. Gregorius for 1, the rim and a bird, they get them both. Damage minimized at 2 in the 5th. 3 balls and 2 strikes. 1 hop past Ramirez. Hicks will score, and the ball gets away on the infield.
The throw home is not in time. Frazier scores, and the Yankees have just taken an enormous step forward. Strike 3 is called. American League Division Series over. Yankees win. The Yankees win.
5-2 Yankees is your final. They advance to the ALCS to take on the Astros. The 2017 Yankees become the 10th team to win a best-of-5 playoff series after falling behind 2-0, and Didi Gregorius becomes the 3rd player in Yankees postseason history with multiple home runs in a winner-take-all game.